Just off the Munsiyari road lies one of Kumaon's most beautiful waterfalls, Birthi Falls. Our journey begins at the KMVN Tourist Rest House, where a short downhill trail leads through dense forest, chirping birds, and the soothing sound of flowing water. The walk is easy, taking around 10 to 15 minutes, but every step builds anticipation. What a sight it is. Water plunges nearly 125 meters down a sheer rock face, breaking into a fine mist before crashing onto the boulders below. During the monsoon, the waterfall becomes even more spectacular, filling the valley with the roar of nature. Standing here, surrounded by towering cliffs and lush greenery, it's easy to forget the outside world. The cool mountain breeze, the spray from the falls, and the constant sound of rushing water create a peaceful atmosphere that invites you to simply pause and take it all in. The viewing area offers excellent photo opportunities, but no camera can truly capture the scale or the energy of this place, and it's something that has to be experienced in person. If you're traveling between Shokori and Munsiyari, don't just drive past Birthi Falls. A brief stop and a short walk reward you with one of the most refreshing natural attractions in the Kumaon Himalayas. Sometimes, the best memories are found just a few steps away from the highway.